Have you and or your partner ever had a restaurant that you guys frequent? But for whatever reason, looking back now, you guys no longer go to that restaurant? For whatever reason, looking back now, you guys don't hate that restaurant. You simply just don't go anymore. Relationships can be just like that. Your partner used to do something, let's say they used to kiss you in the mornings. They no longer do it. The problem is, you now internalize that and mistake it for them having disdain towards you or no longer love you. But this could be simply life taking its toll. Your partner forgot. Your partner got so busy, they don't remember. And all you have to do, just like the restaurant, is go back and try that food. Find a new restaurant. Remember what you used to eat there and cook it yourself. In the case of your partner, remind them. Tell them how much you enjoyed being kissed in the mornings. And trust me, they will start doing it again. Unless they really just hate you and stop. But hey, those are just my thoughts. What are yours? Yeah, I almost forgot. Ensure that you're liking, commenting, and sharing a video if you enjoyed it.